So ဒီနေ့သင်ကြားမယ့်အကြောင်းအရာကနော် civil engineer မှာဆိုရင် material for the civil and structural engineering အဲ့ဒါနဲ့ပတ်သက်တဲ့အကြောင်းအရာကိုသင်မှာဖြစ်တယ်။ mechanical ကြတော့ဘာကိုသင်မလဲဆိုရင် piping နဲ့ပတ်သက်လို့နော် pipe setter နဲ့ပတ်သက်တဲ့ piping manual နော်အဲ့ design project တစ်ခုကိုသင်မှာဖြစ်တယ်။ electrical မှာကြတော့ electrical engineering handbook အကြောင်းကိုရှင်းနေမှာဖြစ်တယ်။ Today lesson regarding the civil engineering, I will provide you the materials for the structural engineering, civil structural engineering, and regarding the mechanical piping design manual, this project will be explained and together with the required handbook. And regarding the electrical engineering handbook will be explained. So this is a overview of this today's program. အဲ့တော့ civil engineer နဲ့ပတ်သက်တဲ့အကြောင်းအရာမှာဆိုရင် material for civil and construction engineer ဆိုတာရှိတယ်เนาะအဲ့ဒီ textbook ကို download လုပ်ဖို့ပေးမှာဖြစ်တယ်အဲ့ဒီမှာဆိုရင် civil engineer နဲ့ပတ်သက်တဲ့အကြောင်းအရာပထမဆုံး civil engineering နဲ့ပတ်သက်လို့เนาะ construction engineering နဲ့ပတ်သက်လို့ဘယ်လိုပစ္စည်းတွေဘယ်လိုเนาะကိရိယာတွေသုံးရမယ်ဆိုတာကိုပထမဆုံးလေ့လာမှာဖြစ်တယ် For the civil engineer, the textbook will be provided is a materials for the civil and the construction engineers. In the civil and the construction design project, so various tools, equipments, and the materials are being utilized. So I will provide you the types of the materials in the building and the civil construction projects. ပထမဆုံးကတော့စပြီးဖတ်မှာပါလို့ဆိုရင် material engineering concept အကြောင်းကိုဖတ်ရမယ်အဲ့ဒီမှာဆိုရင် material engineering မှာ material တွေနဲ့ပတ်သက်လို့เนาะစီးပွားရေးနဲ့ပတ်သက်တဲ့အကြောင်းအရာတွေเนาะစက်မှုလက်မှုနဲ့ဆိုင်ရာเนาะအချက်အလက်တွေနောက်ကเนาะတည်ဆောက်မှုဆိုင်ရာအချက်အလက်တွေထုတ်လုပ်မှုဆိုင်ရာအချက်အလက်တွေနဲ့เนาะသူ့ရဲ့เนาะအလှပဆိုင်ရာအချက်အလက်တွေအဲ့ဒါတွေကိုရေးကြည့်တဲ့အချက်ဖြစ်တယ် So regarding the material engineering concept, the important factors to be concerned are the economic factors, mechanical properties, non-mechanical properties, production and construction are consideration, and aesthetic properties. Those are the important aspects of the materials. Now, to go nature of material. ပစ္စည်းမျိုးတွေရဲ့တဘာဝတွေအကြောင်းကိုလည်းဖတ်ဖို့လိုတယ်အဲ့တော့ပစ္စည်းတွေရဲ့တဘာဝသူတို့ရဲ့ဘယ်လိုတည်ဆောက်မှုရှိသလဲသူတို့ရဲ့เนาะအစွမ်းရည်သက်သီးတွေဘယ်လိုရှိလဲဓာတ်တွေနဲ့ပတ်သက်တဲ့အချက်လက်တွေနဲ့သူ့နဲ့ပတ်သက်တဲ့เนาะအခြေခံအချက်လက်တွေကိုလေ့လာဖို့လိုတာဖြစ်တယ် Regarding the nature of properties, different kind of the material, their construction, their property, their basis of material concepts need to be learned. They are included in the chapter 2 nature of the properties. နောက်တစ်ခုကတော့စက်မှုလက်မှုကုန်ထုတ်လုပ်ငန်းတွေနဲ့တည်ဆောက်ရေးလုပ်ငန်းတွေမှာဆိုရင်เนาะတမန်နီကိုအများဆုံးသုံးတယ် steel ကိုအများဆုံးသုံးတာဖြစ်တယ်အဲ့ဒီ steel နဲ့ပတ်သက်တဲ့အကြောင်းအရာတွေမှာ steel တွေနဲ့ပတ်သက်လို့ထီဆောက်မှုတွေအကြောင်းအရာတွေဘယ်လိုရှိသလဲเนาะအဲ့ steel တွေနဲ့ပတ်သက်လို့เนาะအသုံးပြုမှုတွေဘာတွေရှိသလဲအဲ့ဒီเนาะ structure နဲ့ပတ်သက်တဲ့တည်ဆောက်မှုတွေနဲ့ပတ်သက်လို့ပုံစံပြုတာတွေเนาะတည်ဆောက်တာတွေပုံသွင်းလောင်းတာတွေဘယ်လိုရှိသလဲပြီးတော့မှသူ့ကိုတက်ဆင်တည်ဆောက်တဲ့အခါမှာဘယ်အချက်လက်တွေကိုစဉ်းစားရမလဲဒါကိုเนาะဒါတွေကိုအဓိကထားမှာဖြစ်တယ် Steels are widely utilized in the civil and the mechanical engineering projects. The important one is the structural steel. You need to learn about the structural steels. In this case, the structural steels are producer, how the production process, and also the servicing, how the structural steels are being utilized and their functions, and fabrications are regarding the structural steels, and also the erection aspect need to be concerned about. Structural steel ပြီးတော့မှ aluminum ကတော့ပေါ်ပါတာဖြစ်တယ် aluminum တိဆောက်မှုတဲ့ရေးကြီးတာဖြစ်တယ်အရေးကြီးတဲ့ပစ္စည်းကိရိယာတွေကဆိုရင်เนาะဒီအိမ်သုံးပစ္စည်းတွေ aluminum နဲ့သုံးတာဖြစ်တယ် aluminum is a lightweight properties they are the most plentiful aluminums are being utilized for the lightweight structures and the household equipment production therefore you also need to learn about the aluminum နောက်ကလာ aggregates တွေနော်ရီးစာတွေပေါ့လေရီးစာတွေရပါဆိုရင် concrete သုံးလောက်တဲ့ခါမှာရီးစာတွေသုံးတဲ့ရီးစာတွေနဲ့ပတ်သက်တဲ့အကြောင်းအရာလည်းလေ့လာမှာဖြစ်တယ် So aggregates are the being utilized in the concrete construction so that we had to learn about the types of the aggregates their standard their property their utilization method နောက်တစ်ခုကတော့Portland cement တွေ mixing တွေ water တွေနော် cement တွေအင်္ဂတေတွေနော်ရေလောင်းတာတွေအဲ့ဒါတွေနဲ့ပတ်သက်တဲ့အကြောင်းအရာသင်ရမှာဖြစ်တယ် Then in the concrete masonry work, the cements are important aspect. So you have to learn about the Portland cement, mason water, and the admixtures. Portland cement အကြောင်းကနော် concrete မှာ Portland cement ရဲ့အသုံးပြုမှုနဲ့အသေးစိတ်ရှင်းလင်းရမှာဖြစ်တယ် policy measures utilization in the Congress need to be learned about in detail. Masonry is an important aspect. At all, no, Payalongani, no, Payalongani, Osidari, Payalogari, Edan, Patate, Johnari, Ingri, Kainari, Menabin, Logari, Darias, Payalongani today, Payalongani, Patate, no, Dido, Masonry, Patate, Unity, Blue, Shidale, Navia Tuna, Patalo, no, Tomame, Musari, no, Tuame, Okyote, no, Plauti, no, Chowdoni, Dario Lila, Masonries are the important aspect to the construct the brick wall as well as the surface of finishing. So masonry units are classified as the concrete masonry unit, clay brick, structural clay tie, and glass block and stone. Those are the masonry aspect you also need to learn about. Now got export the binary, to want to bouncy the hardy, cut on look the hardy, daily lama. Exhaust and binders are also important aspects to produce the binding the material binding the products. Now the wood are the widely utilized in the construction projects. In this case, you also need to learn about their utilization of the woods. Composite material no. The tattoo Namio Palm your pillow had a composite material. A composite material the Tolu than the Amazon, a don't see the Masway, not the how only below than the Arimasway, and Yadon Tone, and I will decomposite material and Lila. Composite materials are the nature of the different kind of the materials they are being utilized in the industry. So you also need to learn about the composite material. So those are the topics for the general construction engineering. So the material for the civil and construction engineers, the handbook will be provided so that you need to learn about those topics. At all, civil and material construction engineering, material for the civil and construction engineers, so the handbook will be so this is for the civil engineer. For the mechanical engineer, I provide you the piping design manual. Mechanical engineering အတွက်ကတော့ piping design manual ဆိုတာကိုပေးထားတာဖြစ်တယ်အဲ့တော့အဲ့ piping design manual မှာဆိုရင်เนาะ pipe တွေနဲ့ပတ်သက်တဲ့ plan layout တွေနောက်က piping နဲ့ပတ်သက်တဲ့ flow diagram တွေအကြောင်းတွေเนาะအဲ့ဒါတွေလေ့လာရမယ် piping နဲ့ပတ်သက်တဲ့ product diagram တွေเนาะအဲ့ဒါတွေလေ့လာရမယ်သုံးရမယ် table တွေထုတ်ရမယ် temperature တွေဘယ်လိုရှိတယ်ဆိုတာတွေနောက်ကအဲ့မှာသုံးတဲ့เนาะအသုံးပြုတဲ့ utilities တွေနောက်ကအဲ့ vinyl chloride process တွေနဲ့ပတ်သက်တဲ့အကြောင်းအရာတွေပိုက်တဲ့ layout တွေလိုအပ်မဲ့နေရာတွေနောက်ပြီး set ဝယ်တဲ့ plan တွေအကြောင်းတွေနောက်ကအဲ့ piping နဲ့ပတ်သက်တဲ့เนาะဒီလို process တွေအဲ့ဒါတွေ specification တွေဒါတွေအဆိုရင် piping design နဲ့ပတ်သက်တဲ့လေ့လာရမယ့်အချက်တွေဖြစ်တယ် so those are the piping design projects so that you have to learn about the piping design manual plan layout process design and also the flow diagram pipe layout design diagram and also the pressure temperature utilities equipment specification vinyl chloride process and also the layout and the piping equipment location and the flange and also the process and the mechanical process specification those are the topics included in for the piping design manual အဲ့ဒါနဲ့ပတ်သက်တဲ့အကြောင်းအရာနဲ့ပတ်သက်လို့ဒီလို layout မှာပေးထားတယ် outline မှာပေးထားတယ်အဲ့ outline မှာပါတဲ့အကြောင်းအရာတွေကိုရှင်းလင်းလေ့လာမှာဖြစ်တယ် so those are the outline overview outline for the mechanical piping design manual so that I provide you the designs of paper and those are the topic page number topics those topics are provided so you have to read through those topics အဲ့တော့ piping design manual နဲ့ပတ်သက်တဲ့เนาะအကြောင်းအရာမှာဆိုရင် piping design manual အဲ့ဒါနဲ့ပတ်သက်တဲ့အကြောင်းက page number 5 page 5 is a piping fundamental so page 5 is also include the piping fundamental and the piping layout you have to read around about and page 7 is a flow diagram page 7ကတော့เนาะ flow diagram အကြောင်းရှိတယ် piping system နဲ့ပတ်သက်တဲ့ flow diagram တွေဘယ်လိုရှိတယ်ဆိုတာကိုဒါတွေလေ့လာရမှာဖြစ်တယ်page 12 also the flow diagram and page 12 you also need to learn about the flow diagram and also the base charging unit. So piping design, piping table units are included for the base charging. Base charging piping design, piping program တွေအဲ့ဒါပါလာဖြစ်တယ်။ဒါနဲ့ပတ်သက်တဲ့အကြောင်းအရာနဲ့ပတ်သက်တဲ့အကြောင်းအရာဆိုရင် piping design menu ပဲဒီ piping design menu ကပေးထားတယ်ခုနပြောတဲ့အချက်လက်တွေကိုရှာရမှာဖြစ်တယ်။ So those are the introduction to the piping. Introduction to the piping, you have to learn about piping fundamentals. Pipe fundamental နဲ့ pipe နဲ့ပတ်သက်လို့အကြောင်းအရာတွေကဘယ်လိုရှိလဲ pipe တွေကိုဘယ်လိုတည်ဆောက်တယ်အဲ့ဒါတွေကိုလေ့လာမှဖြစ်တယ် So piping fundamentals are the introduction to piping, basic concept of the piping. And then you have to learn about the general design consideration. General design consideration ကတော့ဒီ design ကိုစဉ်းစားတဲ့အခါမှာဆိုရင်ဘယ်အချက်တွေကိုထည့်ပြီးစဉ်းစားရမယ်ဆိုတာကိုဖော်ပြထားတယ် So general design considerations are the first included for the designing the piping system. So that you also need to learn about the general design consideration of the pipe. And also the piping systems are being utilized for the various application, water piping, pure piping. The whole piping system need to be learned about. Piping system တွေကတော့ရေကိုပေးတဲ့စနစ်တွေနော်လောင်စာဆီပေးတဲ့စနစ်တွေအဲ့ဒါတွေအကုန်ကြောင်းမှာပေးထားတာဖြစ်တယ်အဲ့ဒါနဲ့ပတ်သက်တဲ့ piping system အကြောင်းတွေကိုလေ့လာမှာဖြစ်တယ် But this is non-metallic piping PVC ကိုမပို့နော်ဒီတတ်သူမဟုတ်တဲ့ pipe တွေအကြောင်းတွေပေါ့လေဥမာတိုက်စားမှုကာဝယ်ဖို့အတွက်နော်တတ်သူမဟုတ်တဲ့ pipe တွေကိုဘယ်နေရာမှာသုံးတယ်ဆိုတဲ့အကြောင်းလည်းလေ့လာရမှာဖြစ်တယ် So non-metallic pipings are the such as the PVC and also there's piping. Those pipings are being utilized for to protect the corrosion, so that you also need to learn about the non-metallic piping. Pipe ကတော့ appendix တွေမှာ conversion table တွေပေးထားတယ်နော် appendix include the conversion table, different kind of the conversion table, piping properties, pipe properties, pipe တွေနဲ့ပတ်သက်တဲ့နော်အရည်အသွေးတွေအဲ့ဒါတွေပေးထားတယ် pipe properties, pipe အရည်အသွေးတွေပေးထားတယ်အရည်ချင်းတွေကိုပေးထားတယ်နော် So this is a different kind of the pipe properties and also the tube properties. Tube နဲ့ပတ်သက်တဲ့เนาะအရေးသွေးတွေကိုပေးထားတာဖြစ်တယ်။နောက်က tube property metric for the copper tube နဲ့ပတ်သက်တဲ့ properties တွေwater နဲ့ပတ်သက်တဲ့တွက်ချက်တွေ water loss ကိုတွက်ချက်တဲ့အကြောင်းအရာတွေ water losses calculation you have to read about. So there are different kind of the water loss calculation. Friction loss of the water in meter per 100 meter of pipe. The push တိုက်စားမှုကြောင့်မလို့ friction loss ဖြစ်တဲ့အကြောင်းအရာတွေပေးထားတယ် pipe တွေကျူတွေ fitting material တွေ their specification pipe တွေကျူတွေ fitting material တွေရဲ့เนาะဒီ specification တွေကိုပေးထားတာဖြစ်တယ် and international piping material specification. The pipe သုံးဖို့အတွက်နိုင်ငံတကာနဲ့ပတ်သက်တဲ့เนาะအချက်လက်တွေပေးထားတယ် international piping material specification for the piping system being utilized internationally. You also read about. And also the fluid and the properties. Fluid အမျိုးမျိုးတွေနဲ့เนาะဒီ property အမျိုးမျိုးတွေအဲ့ဒါတွေပေးတာလေ့လာမှာဖြစ်တယ် miscellaneous fluids and their property. Miscellaneous fluids and their property you also need to study. And now got materials and the property လေ့လာမှာဖြစ်တယ် you also need to learn about the materials and the properties. Now pipe နဲ့ပတ်သက်တဲ့เนาะ computer program တွေအသုံးပြုမှုတွေ so piping related computer programs are capability their informations are being provided you also have to read about and international standard and specification တွေ piping system နဲ့ပတ်သက်တဲ့အကြောင်းအရာတွေပေးထားတယ် so those are the international standard specification regarding the piping system. So those are the piping system important aspect. So you also have to learn about the information. So today's electrical mechanical engineer, the textbook I provide is a piping system handbook. This is for the mechanical engineer. And now to go a mechanical engineer, but the piping system handbook piping design manual. So this are the piping designs and manuals are example. So in this case, our piping design manual example, page number 5 is a process flow. Page 5 no process but the flow no below sheets where John for so here you see the process flows are approach. And also the page 6 is a diagram of the various piping. Basic no the various piping but the diagram page include various piping diagram, so you also have to read about. Page 7 is a flow diagram. Page 7 are piping no system flow design construction body lila body. So here is a piping design project. Various technical aspects and the equipment are utilized. So this is the flow diagram have to run about. Page 12 also the flow diagram. So this is for the design productions of flow process plan. So design production process plan for the piping design project, you also need to read about. So that design production process plan the Page unity. These are units are utilization. You also have to run about this is the physical quantities and the units. Page 23 are design diagram. In page 23, you can learn about this different design diagram and that they are utilization of the symbol. Page 24 in page 24, this is for the flow diagram of the manufacture of the vinyl chloride. So those flow diagram and the international table you can learn about. Page 26 pressure and temperature. In page 26, you can learn about the pressure and the temperatures relationship. Page 27 is the utilities. So the cooling the equipment specification in the page 27 you can see the utilities and the cooling system as well as electrical specification. Page 29 is a typical production method for the vinyl chloride. The vinyl chloride so here is a typical production process for the vinyl chloride, so that you can see about the piping diagram. And page 31 as well the same. Page 31 is the same production method for the vinyl chloride. Page 63. Page 37 is page 44 in the page 37 and page 44. This is for the typical production method for the vinyl chloride. Page 45 is a layout of system. Page 45 got the layout. Design piping layout. Here is a diagram to design the piping layout. Page 46 is a kind of the equipment. Page 46 got below equipment, mechanical equipment, pan below pan here is a mechanical equipment. The guys in the pan, styles of the pan, you can learn about the page 45. So the page 46 location. Page 48 the location. Baby see the below time layout below time is a popular. Here is a layout diagram for the piping equipment. So where you place types of the equipment, you can see about. Page 40, this is for the plan view. Page 49 is a side view. Page 49 no be any kilo ya pony popular the side view page 49 40 now got the side view but the flow diagram popular. Also the page 72 is a flange. The who set the camera flange you don't want to a flange connection. Flange construction project, you can see the page 72. And also the page 78 is a difference of data. Page 78 data, process data, data, here is you can see about the kind of the data to be collected in the piping design system. And also the mechanical data you also have to learn about. And page 82 is a specification. Page 82 the specification, piping specification. So here is a typical piping specifications theme and page 82, 81, 82. Here is an isometric diagram. Piping the isometric diagram is persuaded for so piping isometric diagram, you can see about the page 84 to the 88. So this is a different kind of the pipings are isometric. So this is piping isometric and popular. Now wherein the ionizing in the edadina but the pipe is how the commas we know the case set the edadi joining the popular page 91 is Sami. So from the page 91, the different fundamental piping, fundamental the mechanical joining method, different kind of the wiring method you can see about. That are wiring about the Jomyari, that is going to market. Page 128 on the side, you know about right, so if I go below, Lanjang PM is popular. Here is from the page 128, the different kind of the pipe routing system. Pipe routing system you can learn about. And page 137 is a kind of the material utilization. Page 137 are all the material popular. So here you can see the materials application. Therefore, that's today's mechanical engineer. What I give you is a piping design manual, typical process of paper, together with the text handbook. So these two things are I provided. Dana but the piping design manual na but the dalo, no? Dana but the piping design manual that technical paper, practical process plan layout and piping design. And together with this one, I provide you the piping handbook. Dana but the low piping handbook will textbook in a handbook in a paper. A comma the designer but the engineer ma, no? You total Jawari must be mechanical engineer down in a total moon but the Jawao. Mechanical engineer handbook, manufacturing and management handbook, let be that today at our pabo loaded. Simanka Moody, Tolo Moody, Jamiari, Edama Lila loaded. So for to do this project, engineer need to understand the manufacturing and the management. Therefore, I provide you the mechanical engineer handbook, manufacturing and the management. So those three books you have to learn about. Jamlo project paper, now piping design manual. The mechanical manufacturing and mechanical management handbook so that you have to learn about the project design paper and also the piping design manual handbook and mechanical engineer handbook. So this is for the mechanical engineer. Now mechanical engineering. Now electrical engineer electrical engineer handbook will be that. So standard handbook for the electrical engineer. Electrical engineer handbook will be that. For the electrical engineer, what I give you is a electrical engineer handbook. Electrical engineer handbook be that. So that in the electrical engineer handbook, you have to learn about the circuit theory, electronics, and also the VLSI system, and as well as a digital system, computer engineering, and now got electromagnetic property, electrical power system. And you also need to learn about the signal processing, control system, and digital communication. Those are the topics included in the electrical engineer handbook. Now, electrical engineer handbook is electrical but the circuit theory, electronics, VLSI system, digital system, but the electromagnetic, electrical power system, signal processing, but the control system, now data communication, so those topics are the to be learned in the electrical engineer handbook. So that I provide you the electrical engineering handbook and you have to learn about. So those are the today lesson. Today lesson regarding the civil engineer, what I give you is a material for the civil and the civil engineer. And mechanical engineer, I provide you the three books, piping design manual and also the project paper and manufacturing and the mechanical handbook. Regarding the electrical engineer, I provide you the electrical engineering handbook. So those are the topic outlines. So those topic outlines are you have to read about those topic outlines. So this is for the today lesson.